back with another video. I know, I literally just started this one now, so I'm gonna grab this. Plank can be used to build ramps, blah blah blah, yeah. So, seems my bed has disappeared. Let's go see what happens here. Take the elevator. Oh, it hasn't gone in my bedroom yet. Okay. Let's go to the next mission. Heavy lifting, that is a side mission. Okay, a water tower. The tower. Need chemicals. The tower. Play mission. This one is all about destruction, okay, dudes? Yeah. Ooh, what's this? Bomb. Cool. The tower. I wonder why this isn't locked, because it was locked before. Oh, cool. Close. Went boom. Oh, I'm out of bombs. Okay, yeah. Nope, 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 nope. No fires here. The fire alarm's good. I know, yeah, it's fun to do fire alarms, but yeah, there's things that we gotta do today. Usually this thing just goes right down. It's kind of a bit stubborn today. I'm gonna go up there. What? Why is this light indestructible? I don't know. I think I should use these 20 shots wisely. We might have to restart, okay, guys? Come on, fall! I have to do something with this? I did nothing. I think we're gonna have to restart. Restart mission. Okay, pick up. Yep, we need bombs. There. fire alarm going off. Nope, we do not. 4. Need the bomb. What was it? Okay, I'm gonna stop. Okay, we're out of bombs. Can you please fall the other way? Thank you. Just fall. Come on, you can fall. Come on. Just fall. Yay, demolish it complete. I almost got crushed by that thing. Yeah. It went, that went. That was fun. Just blew up that. It's almost dead now. I almost can't use it. Yeah, it's dead now. Can't use it no more. That was fun. Okay, now let's get it. Yeah, we did it! Yeah! Continue. Let's see what's on the news. Lee Chemicals famous tower torn down by unknown trespassers. This shameful deed happened night before the 75th anniversary of the tower. Rummaging around in the rubble, Lawrence Lee Jr. expresses grief and anger. These half-wit Neanderthals don't know what's coming for them. Attacking the heart and soul of my company, of my family, he fumes, visibly upset. There? Is there an ad? Order. Let's see. Lockheed celebrations, Home Guard Parade. Live music and fireworks. See you at advertising tomorrow. Don't need that. Okay, that's the end of the video, folks. First, let's check the bathroom. Hasn't been changed yet. Okay, please like and subscribe if you want to see more of this. Otherwise, I might make one again today. Okay, see ya. Bye.